there, Bloomin' Beauties. If you are new to my channel, welcome to Sincerely Daisy Co. And if you are returning to my channel, like always, welcome back to Sincerely Daisy Co. So for this video, I wanted to show you guys a soap that is currently listed on my website, which is 𝐶𝐶𝐬𝐬𝐿.co under the Budding collection, Still Waiting to Graduate or Fully Cure. So for the soap making process for this soap, like always, I'm going to measure out my fats and melt them down using the double boil method, and then I will measure out my liquid fats and set those to the side to combine later. Off camera, I already measured out my sodium hydroxide lye in my distilled water, so that's somewhere setting off to the side, waiting to cool down. As we enter into phase 2, what I'm going to do is add my menthol crystals to my melted fats. The supplier that I received this from stated that they melt in room temp, but no, I had to bring this back to the double boiler so that it could melt fully. Nonetheless, the smell of these menthol crystals, it permeates through the entire house, but it's nice. But anyways, I want to briefly talk about the benefits of using this soap. So starting with the menthol crystals, I know people often think menthol crystals are just something that smells good, but no, they actually do provide benefits for your skin. So not only do they provide a cooling sensation that soothes irritation, it also reduces redness and relieves itchiness. And if you have acne, typically those bumps are itchy. Not only that, menthol crystals also have anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, and these properties will help cleanse the skin and reduce acne. Another beneficial ingredient in this soap is 𝐶𝐶𝐬. So 𝐶𝐶𝐬 is known to detoxify the skin by drawing out impurities, excess oil, and toxins. 𝐶𝐶𝐬 is also rich in minerals, which will help nourish the skin and promote a smoother, more even complexion. So if this describes your skin type, this soap might be the one for you. Me personally, y'all, I have oily skin. My skin is so oily, my eyelids are oily, and I've always had oily skin. For me, rose clay is a bit too mild for my skin type, but if you are someone who has dry or sensitive skin, my rose clay and Himalayan salt would be perfect for you. But if you're someone like me who has oily, acne-prone skin, this may be a better choice for you. But anyways, shop my site at 𝐶𝐶𝐬𝐬𝐿.co and grab you one of these beauties before they're all gone.
Y'all, so I didn't show much of the soap cutting because there weren't any intricate designs within this soap, but now for this part of the video I am going to bevel the edges, because if you don't bevel the edges of your soap, the edges are going to be very hard and it will be painful to hold and use, and that is the main reason why I bevel my edges. Additionally, I think it looks aesthetically pleasing compared to if the edges weren't beveled, but that's just me. After this, I'm going to steam these beauties and then I will set these on my rack to cure for 4 to 6 weeks, or close to the end of that. So you guys will see again this listed on my site. But anyways, blooming beauties, thank you all so much for watching this video. Thank you all so much for the support on my channel as well as my Shopify store. I appreciate you guys. I love you guys. And I hope to see you in the daisy fields another time, okay? Bye.